So this little DIY Allen wrench bit driver has been in my EDC kit for a number of years. I've been very pleased with it. It's lightweight, it's durable, it gets the job done. But I've been wondering if there's something better out there. So I looked around and I found this. This is a little ratchet, a mini ratchet that's used by cyclists. It's lightweight, it's extremely strong, and it gets the job done. I've been really pleased with it. This may be something that you want to consider for your EDC kit. So we're going to talk about it in today's video. See you in a bit. So I was doing some research online looking for a quality ratchet, mini ratchet that I could put into my EDC kit. And this design kept coming up over and over again, but it was being sold by different companies, but it appears to be the same manufacturer. The one you see right now, this is my local bike shop. I was surprised that they had it online, but this is the Topeak TT2524 ratchet. It sells on Amazon for $39.95. It sells at this bike shop probably for the same, if not less. They have a lot of sales. Um, but another one example of this is this one on Amazon, which is the Granite Rock and Roll Mini Ratchet Bike Toolkit. This one comes a little bit set as well. The ratchet again is the same design, and it comes with a bit extender as well. I think this one goes for $32.99. So all I'm really interested in is a ratchet. I've got the bits, I've got the extender. So I did a little more digging and found that O'Reilly Auto Parts sells a keychain version. They call it a keychain version. I don't know how you'd put it on your keychain. It's just so massive. I mean, it's too big for a keychain. It's not that massive. But the unit looks like this. It's the exact same unit as the other two companies selling. And it's selling for, I believe, $18, $18.95. So I ordered one just to see what I could do with it. And I've been really impressed. And that's what we're going to get into now. Okay, so this is what the Power Torque mini ratchet looks like when you get it from O'Reilly Auto Parts. I've got no O'Reilly Auto Parts near me, so I had to pick this one up in California when I went to visit my sister. And she was kind of surprised that I flew all that way just to get a ratchet. But you know what? You got to do what you got to do. Anyway, so this is the packaging. It's pretty easy. It's got all kinds of information on the bits on the back. Again, from O'Reilly. The part number is GM George Mary 4315. And this is what it looks like when you get it out of the packaging. So you've got the ratchet here, and they have kind of a unique little setup here. You press the back, it pops it open, and you have like a bit holder right there for you. So you can put it down this way, bits are up, and it's really easy to pop out the ratchet. Really nicely machined, really nicely made. This is not a cheap piece of garbage. It's I am really surprised what they've put into this as far as the engineering goes. But yeah, it's reversible, which is really nice. And then this is cool that you can actually put the bits on the base like that. So you can use it as a screwdriver. Put the extender on here, will come out about that far. So it gives you a good, I don't know, 4 or 5 inches. And then the set of bits. I'm not using these bits. I'm using the Weha double-sided bits. And for that, you need a bit extender to work with this unit, but it's well worth it. But yeah, that's it. And we'll get in some more detail now. All right, let's check out the difference in the weights between the old bit driver and the new ratchet. So the old bit driver is an Allen wrench that's been modified with a bit holder. It's pretty basic. It does not ratchet like the other one does. And let's see here. Weighs 1.4 ounces. And the new one, ratchet, weighs 1 ounce even. All right, let's get into the sizes. Now for the sizing. Turn it on. And this is the old bit driver.
which was 3.94 inches, and the new ratchet, 3.67 inches, which is pretty good. And that in millimeters would be 93.3 millimeters. And this is pretty interesting too. We measured the width of the handle. That comes to 5.9 millimeters or 0.23 inches, just a little under a quarter inch. In this segment, I've hooked up the ratchet to the end of a torque wrench. It's an old 1970s Craftsman wrench. This is mostly to see how much my hand can take on this. I'm sure it's gonna not go very much, but let's see what it can do. So here's the torque wrench. I've got the handle. I'm pulling. Looks like it does not go much above 10 foot-pounds before my hand starts to do bad things. So anyway, interesting. So after the last test, I just wanted you to see how the ratchet held up. Everything looks pretty good. There's no bending. And if you put an extender in here, just to kind of check the mechanism, it's all working pretty smoothly. So yeah, pretty rugged. So to summarize, this thing hits way above its weight. I'm using it almost daily for projects around the house. It's been absolutely fantastic. If you have one of these, I would love to hear how it's been working out for you. Just leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment below. If you want to see more content like this, subscribe. That'd be fantastic. Anyway, or hit the like button. That works too. Also, there's a 16-second video at the end for having made it this far. This is your reward. Of me using this thing on a little project around the house. Enjoy.